In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily log into your Wix account and access your website's dashboard for management. This process is straightforward, but I'll be guiding you through each step to make sure you know exactly what to do and feel confident along the way. First, let's start by heading to Wix.com using your web browser of choice. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, simply enter Wix.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the homepage loads up, you'll notice a login button situated conveniently in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to begin the login process. You'll be presented with a few different ways to log into your account, so let's go over them. If you originally signed up using your email and password, that's the method you'll use here. Simply enter your registered email address into the provided field, followed by your secure password. Make sure both are entered correctly to avoid any hiccups during the login. For those of you who prefer the ease of logging in with a social account, Wix makes this process equally seamless. You'll see options to log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Simply click on the button that corresponds to how you initially signed up. This method is great if you like to streamline your accounts across different apps and platforms. Just a quick tip: if you ever forget your password, Wix offers a password recovery feature. Simply click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to regain access to your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on the Sites page, which serves as your main hub. Here, you'll find a list of all the websites you've created using Wix. This is where you have the power to manage your online presence. Take a moment to browse through the sites and locate the specific website you wish to manage today. Once you've identified the right project, your next step is to select it. To do this, click on the Select Site button next to the website you're ready to dive into. This will take you directly to that website's dashboard, which is your control center for all website-related activities. From updating content to checking stats, everything you need to manage your site is conveniently located within this dashboard. With these steps, you're now equipped to log into your Wix account and access the core tools you need to manage your website efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more comfortable navigating your Wix account. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in and happy website managing.